if you don't have any sound on your Windows 11. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix it. First thing, let's check the basics. We don't want to overcomplicate it. First, check if the sound is muted. Increase the volume and check if the output device is selected correctly here. Sometimes switching the output, the incorrect output, can even cause this issue. Let's check the output device. Right-click on this audio, sound settings, and here you can select the output device, maybe using your speaker or the headphones. Select the correct one. If you have even more than one output device, test them one by one. Under the same sound setting, you can go to the troubleshooting, common sound problems, and check across your output devices here. Windows will try and find and fix the problem. It's not always perfect, but it's worth trying. In this step, we'll try to restart the audio services by going to click on Windows R services.msc. Find something called Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint. Go ahead and restart each one of these services, or most of the time fix a lot of issues. In this step, we'll go and update the audio driver. We're going to Device Manager, go to the sound, video games, and all that. Go to your audio device. Update the driver by going scan it automatically, or go in by browsing. If you have a file, you can update the audio. If this doesn't work or didn't work, you can go and then uninstall the device, then restart your Windows. After that, Windows will install the driver automatically. Now go to disable any enhancement in your audio if it still not work after all these steps. Go to the sound settings and go to something called more sound settings. Go to your output device, the speakers, go properties, and go to the advanced. If you see anything like this is enable audio enhancement, you can remove it and you can apply this option. Sometimes this enhancement is break the audio, the driver or the device. So try this and see if it works. If these steps help you to fix the audio, give me a like on the video. If didn't, then give me a comment with your issue and we'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.